Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing about judicial activism. Niti Aayog orders to study the economic impact of judicial decisions. So the Niti Aayog has ordered the Jaipur-based research organization Consumer Unity and Trust Society (CUTS) International to study the economic impact of judgments delivered by the Supreme Court, High Court, and quasi-judicial bodies like the National Green Tribunal. It has also asked to study the judicial activism of such courts and tribunals. See, the judicial decisions have far-reaching economic impacts. These impacts are usually not taken into account at the time of decision making. This study will be completely funded by the Niti Aayog, and the study will be conducted with an aim of sensitizing the judiciary on the economic impact of their decisions. The findings from the study will be used as the training input for judges of the Supreme Court, High Courts, Commercial Courts and NGT. Further, the total cost of the project initially was Rs 24.8 lakh. However, it is likely to go higher. Now let's also discuss about the role of the CUTS International. See, the CUTS International will study the economic impact of 5 different decisions by the Supreme Court and the NGT. The 5 judgments include economic impact of the ban imposed by the Supreme Court in March 2019 on construction of a greenfield airport at Mopa, Goa. Secondly, Supreme Court's February 2018 ban on iron ore mining in Goa. Thirdly, NGT ban on sand mining in the Yamuna River in Gautam Buddha Nagar in the year 2013. Fourthly, Supreme Court ban on construction of buildings in Delhi and National Capital Region. And fifthly, Supreme Court's decision to reject the opening of Vedanta's Sterlite copper plant. So now what is the purpose of the study? See, the study will provide an objective cost-benefit analysis of the economic impact of decisions made by the judiciary. The study is also part of the umbrella project of the Niti Aayog, under which the think tank wants to establish a judicial performance index, and this index will be used to measure the performance of judges at district courts and subordinate levels. See, talking about judicial activism, see, the concept of judicial activism was originated and developed in the United States of America. And see, it was in 1947 that the term was first coined, and in India the doctrine of judicial activism was introduced in around mid 1970s. And see, judicial activism denotes the proactive role played by the judiciary in the protection of the rights of the citizens and in the promotion of justice in the society. So basically it implies the assertive role that is played by the Indian judiciary to force the other two organs of the government, the legislature and the executive, to discharge their constitutional duties.